All right, welcome all my little COVID broskies and COVID whatever dams and damsels. How you guys all doing out there today? Hope you guys are all staying safe on this lovely Saturday, Sunday, wherever the hell you are in the world today. What is it? Jesus Christ, I gotta check the day. It is Sunday here in America, so it's possibly yeah, it's Sunday. Like should be like Sunday everywhere right now, right? Um, Boy. All right, so just browsing through the charts right here, saying just kind of doing what I do, and I just want to show you guys a very rare chart pattern that's happening right now. Okay, so this is kind of like I just went through a whole description with the members, and I put it inside of the members area, so it's much easier for you guys. You can just get the gist right here of everything that I'm just going to do really quick for everybody. So what we're looking at is this is the blue long-term trend line. So this is bearish and or bullish. Of course, this is the 50% line right here, right? That's pretty simple. There's the 50 line, right? Here it is right here. There's the 50 line. What I'm looking at, this is all the way back to 2016, right? You kind of got this run up, little pokey down, little sideways action. Look, run up, little pokey down. Now this isn't sideways action, but I'll show you this did happen one more time in 2016. You got something like this. Now here you see you just got to kind of like got a little bit of a pullback, and then you got the swag run, right? So I think we're just going to get the same thing, a little bit of pullback here. Now remember, a little bit of pullback here is going to take us down to the 8,000 range, okay? This is going to be the 8K range down here. So didn't quite capture all that, but that's going to be the 8,000 range down here somewhere if that does get caught. Let me do this one more time, so just so everybody can get a much better view. All right, so we see where the 50% line is. We see the price action, right? We see where this little pullback occurred. Now, the critical thing to watch here is as the red line, which is your medium-term trade line, came down and swung up. It swung up before. Look, it swung up before the bluish line swung up, right? The bluish line was crashing down into it, and kind of this swung up. This kind of flattened out a little bit, but look at like here, you've got this crashing down. This is the long-term trend line. This is the price action. Bullish is up, bearish is down, right? And look, this is bounced way before this bad boy had a chance, and these two babies are come together on a crash course right here. Something I want to point out very close to everybody. Listen, the 50. This purple line is the energy band, right? So when you're down here where we're at right now, we're just peaking below the 50% on the energy band. Listen, that means there's a long way to go before this energy band usually has to bounce, right? These energy bands usually like to run down, and it's no different. It's basically an oversold, overbought indicator, right? Like the bears are running out of momentum, the bulls are running out of momentum. That's what this purple thing is. It's an energy line. So here we're just peaking below the 50% on this is our day trade. The green is our day trade thing right here. So we always look at the green for our day trading. This is our easy in outs of price action, right? And you see how this correlates beautifully. So, but the critical thing we're watching is these two are all coming crashing together while the energy band is dipping over. Look, the energy band started to dip over right here. And then once that energy band crashed, you see you got this little dip right here. Now, back in the day, that was a respectable little dip. You were probably up there in 615, dropped all the way down to 600. That's a respectable little dip right there, right, that you got on the chart right there. But this is something, now, this did happen one more time in 2017. Let me find that. Where were you? It's like November or something like that. Oh, where are you? Hold over first. And there's May. Nope. Where are you? And nope. Well, here it kind of did it right here. Let me see it. Oh, this is it right here. Okay. So let's go find the price action. Where are you at? Jesus Lord, Jesus. All right, there it is. All right, this is exactly what I was looking for. All right, so let's take a look at this once again here. So we got our price structure set up, right? You got your run up, got your run up, you got your little dipskis, right? You got your dipskis, and then you've got where else you got? Where else is where's this whole thing? Let me find this thing. Yep, there it is. This is it. So turned no, no, it wasn't this one. Where the hell is it? Damn it. No, it wasn't 2018. It was definitely 2017. Where are you? The red has got to turn up into the blue. No? Wonder where I found that damn thing. See, you can't, it just doesn't happen. It's not a very common occurrence. See when the blue turns, the red turns, right? It's below. Look, blue turns, red turns. So they both, now this one started to turn a little bit before. Right here. That one started, see, there it is. It started to turn a little bit before, but then this ended up as a crash. So when this turns before the blue turns, this ends up being a sign of weakness. And this is what this is. This is almost the same pattern right here. It's a little bit, it's below the 50% though, right? But that's below the 50% right there. Okay, so this must have been where I found it right here. Where's that? It's 2017. Yep, that's got to be it. All right, so let me get in here. Bring this bad boy in here, line this up. There it is right there. That's it. Okay. All right, got it. Okay, so you see your price run, right? And this is what we're looking at right here. This is where it turned before the blue line. Did the same thing right here. See that? And the blue line just came crashing down into it, right? You got a little pop-up, but look at how this looks very similar, right? Up, retrace, little up, crash down, right? Very similar right here. So you rarely see this pattern happen. You know, this is a rare kind of occurrence right here where this happens right here. So it's only the second time I didn't go all the way back to like 2013 or something like that, but I only went back to 2000 and only went back to like 2012. I mean, sorry, 2016. And there it is. Drop that in there for everybody one more time. So that's it. That's all I'm looking for right now. Okay, I'm watching this play out. But to me, that's very bearsky. On the 4 hour, we just put in a beautiful, beautiful hanging man candle. So super sexy little 4 hour hanging man candle. I mean, yeah, we're not kind of out of the. It's hard to make the case that we didn't peek over or poke over this this kind of a bullish this bullish wedge we had right here. We had a bullish flag. I'm going to show you guys that. I put that up for the members. Where did I put that? All right, there it is right here. So look, we put in an inverted hammer on the daily for the members. We were watching that over here. I said, hey, watch out, inverted hammer closing on the daily. This only had like an hour and a half left to close. So we did close out that very beautiful bullish inverted hammer. This is, or it's still this was a bearish. The 12-hour had a bearish flag on it, right? The 12-hour did have a bearish flag, but it was overpowered by the higher timeline, the daily. So you see that the daily, did that inverted hammer on the daily got the bounce right there. So now we have to start looking for some kind of, I mean, Jesus, I mean, if you go down in the 12-hour, I mean, this gets tough because, I mean, does that start to look like a bullish flag right there? Does this start to look like some kind of a bullish triangle like that? I mean, that's possible, right? And if you're looking at it in a bear wise, you're going like that, right? So to break out here, you really got to get over 96.64. So 96.64 is to beat this to beat this as a breakout. To beat this as a breakout, 96.64. But a beautiful triangle. Now, over here on the 3-day, we've got a whole 14, 15 hours left. I'm sorry, boys and girls, ladies and gentle germs, but this is a hanging man. And if this baby does come up here and close out at 96.64, right up here, this is just going to make this into some evil, wicked kind of hanging man candle. And I would look for this to break back to the downside. Now, anything is completely possible here, all right? I'm not saying it's not. This is just some of the roughest trading I have seen in a long time, simply because these massive shakeout candles here are absolutely insane. Once again, this goes back to, I have one, there's the MACD. Don't forget about the MACD, boys and girls, right? Hold your breath. We're coming into the resistance here. This candle closes again in 15 hours. We're almost, right? We're just going to scrape the nut sack right along the bottom of the sandpaper right there. Once again, breakout very bullish. And if this is the resistance that slams us back down, you can see what happened last time. Slammed back down and held, and the pumpy wumpy, right? There's that massive bearish ass flag. 2 days still says there's a... God, these 2-day candles right here are insanely bearish. I can't even believe this. Insanely bearish. Beat the first bearish candle. Are we going to beat the second bearish candle? The bulls are just kind of on fire right now, right? We're going to go down. I did have one more chart. Here we go. This is the chart. Just listen. This is the weekly. When you get these red bands right here, these red bands mean OF. Just get ready for face melting move, right? And the longer they go, the more the face melting move is, right? Like the longer these babies run, the bigger the face melting move is. So just be prepared here for another move. So we will have another move coming, right? These last one, look at how long this one is, and that just massive bearish candle right there, right? Here's a good one, but huge bullish run. Nice, beautiful one. Huge bullish run, right? What's it going to be here? I mean, are we bearish or bullish? But there is a massive, massive run coming. I don't know who it's for. I don't know who it's for. Is it going to be for the bears? Is it going to be for the bulls? This is heading long bullish energy run right here on the weekly God mode. So we've had a hell of a long energy run right there. I mean, insane energy run. I mean, maybe it's time for just a little dip a rammy. Now we are post-halving. Okay, we're post-halving. That means at some point post-halving, this is supposed to go to 11,800, right? It's supposed to go to 11,800. We're not going to open another gap up for like, I don't know, 5 hours or something like that. So we do have another gap that's still going to open in 5 hours. We're going to have to see where that is. This still can play out as a massive head and shoulders. Longs to shorts chart not showing us shit. The longs here are betting kind of hard, but in Binance, the shorts are betting hard on Binance right now. So there's a lot of shorts on Binance right now. We did this little pump. This held, right? This held. This is fucking amazing, man. The bulls are just on a terola, right? On an absolute terola. We did lose this blue line right here, which is usually much more bearish. The yellow, we're on another support line. Look at tap there, tap there, tap there. We're here, right? It's really hard. Like they tell you, one of the things, don't short support, right? Don't short support, don't long resistance, right? Don't short support, don't long resistance. And we are on this. Once again, I have taken my ball sack and I'm rubbing it on the rocks right now, right? And, you know, I mean, either my ball sack is going to just melt this rock, you know, because that's what small man husband balls do. You know, I mean, they're not useful for anything else. Once you do go through that route, boys and girls. But, you know, listen, take a lesson from me. Don't get married. If you are married, don't get married. Short marriage all day long. They should have a betting line in Vegas for like marriage. And it should have each married guy's name come up there. And we should be able to place bets on those guys, right? I mean, dude, think of the money you could make, right? Think of all of the money. Like, I'm just letting you know, I would short the living bejesus out of Darth, right? I would short the live. I mean, what, dude? The guy is very cunty, very cunty. All right, it's taken from the English vocabulary right there. But here we are. We are just laying on this. We're laying on this, and if this baby lets go, it's gonna be ugly. All right, we're going back down to 8K, right? 8,700. That's it. This let's go. 8,700. Here we come. All day, every day, right? All day, every day. And then I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna snack this up. Oh, hold on a second. Let's do this, right? Right. And we're gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put a little text. Lose this 87 honey, 88 honey, all day, every day. Right? So there it is right there. Lose that all day, every day. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to drop this in the members. Oop, hold on. Bam. There it is. All right? 8,700 all day, every day. And let me copy this. Because I love all you guys so much. All right. And no, nothing. Man, we're trapped inside the long and short box. See, the problem is if we break down south right now, even a breakdown south, you know, not, anyways, you get the point. Let's see here. What chart am I going to leave up? I'm going to leave this one up for sure. Oh, one more chart. I'm done. Here we go. Ooh, excuse me. Last chart. All right. OBV. I want to bring the OBV chart out. All right. So 2 things. I want to show you something. I was just kind of looking at this OBV. You guys tell me if I'm cray on this one. Okay. But I could be. But I wanted to show you this one pattern. Does this look? Come on. Come here. Does this look like a big head and shoulders to you? Am I crazy? Am I crazy on that? Does this look like a big ass head and shoulders? I mean, I could completely be wrong on this, right? But I mean, does this look like a big ass head and shoulders to you? Things that make you go, Okay, last thing. I wanted to show you guys the this is the weekly. I want to show you the weekly. Now, the weekly loves to do, you know, we're always looking for patterns, right, on all of this, right? That was kind of, I don't know if I'd call that an Annie pattern, kind of an Annie pattern right there. But we're looking for, could this end up being a double top right here? Did this totally end up being a double top? We really got to watch out for this. Like, there's a little bitty baby double top right there. Look at this massive, right? That from that little bitty baby top right there. Kind of, maybe, sort of, forming little bitty, you know, you tell me, boys and girls. Little double topish right there. I'm going to put some verbiage up there. All right, we're going to do a danger. Danger, Will Robbins. Is this double topish? Right? So I'm going to do a danger. Will Robbins is this double topish right here. Okay. Ooh, you know what I was doing? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this even better. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Give me a second. That is not the color I needed. Do red. Make it nice and fat. Do red. Right? There we go. Got it, got it, got it. All right. All right. A 3-day OBV, it's just out of control. Still monster out of control. Just insane. Look at this trend line too. Shit, I didn't even see this trend line. Okay. Boom. 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 Right, and look at this bad boy. Like if this retraced, that's what it would do. Look at that pattern right there. Kind of similar to that. All right, let's go like this. Let's do this, okay? Save this one more time. I just want to get this all in here. Important to get all the information in here. So we got this, this, right? Got that double top. Got this higher, lower. Got that higher, lower. Right? So I mean, the critical thing is right here. All right. So this is you know, once again, let's go over the members. All right. This says that it is ride or die for the bulls, not the bears. Right? The trend line shows that the bulls have not been able to break out yet. They are the ones on resistance. Remember, the key to life, right? Okay. Master Vamp says don't short support. Don't long resistance. Play the breakout. Remember, the most critical thing to living your life, these are the 4 principles that you should live your life by, right? Don't short support, don't long resistance, play the breakout, and always practice safe sex by giving the wrong last name, okay? I am the Vamp. It's been my pleasure, and I am out.